This is number 1 in Concept 1 Vector Analysis. And the problem asks you to break the following vectors into their respective x and y components. Each vector has a magnitude of 25 newtons. So this vector has a magnitude of 25 newtons. And by x and y components, you can think of them like the x and y lines on a Cartesian coordinate plane, like in math. So for our x, we have our, similar to the x-axis, right here is the x. And then our y is just like the y-axis, right there. So to solve for these, we are going to use basic trig. So starting with the y component, we are going to do sine. And sine is opposite over adjacent. And this is the side we want, so it makes sense to use sine. So we're going to do the sine of 51 degrees equals y over 25 newtons. And when you solve that out, y turns out to be 19.43 newtons. So there's our y component. And now to solve, we're going to do the same thing for x, but instead of using sine, we're going to use cosine because this one's down here. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we are going to use cosine. So the cosine of 51 degrees equals x, what we're solving for, over 25 newtons. And when you solve that out, x equals 15.73 newtons. So our two components, we have x at 15.73 newtons and y at 19.43 newtons.